Hello and welcome to tonight's homework help for Tuesday night, January 15th, 2012. We're going to jump right in with solving proportions. Solve each proportion, show your work. The first one has been done for you. So there's an example here. I'm going to do another example, but I'll go over this example first. So you have a over 5, or a compared to 5, equals 6 compared to 3. So when we cross multiply, we get 3a equals 5 times 6 is 30. Well, then we divide both sides by 3 to get rid of the 3 that's attached to the a. This is essentially just a one-step equation, and so we're just trying to isolate the a. So we divide both sides by 3. That gets rid of the 3 on this side, and then we get 30 divided by 3 on that side, which leaves us with a equal to 10. Okay, so let me try a different one. Let's try this one down here. Okay, so here I have 2 compared to 30, or 2 is to 30, is equal to h is to 600. So I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply. Okay, and I get 30 times h is 30h is equal to 2 times 600 is 1,200. Okay, then this is a one-step equation, so now I want to get the h all alone. So I'm going to divide both sides by 30 to isolate that h. 30 divided by 30 is 1, and 1 times h is just h. And then 1,200 divided by 30, well, they both have a factor of 10, so I can cross out those zeros. So it's the same as, the answer would be the same as 120 divided by 3, which is 40. So our answer is 40. Okay, so all of these problems should yield a one-step equation after you cross multiply. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the back side. Okay, and here we have Grandpa's knitting. This actually shouldn't be day 2, my mistake. Day 2 will be on Wednesday night's homework. So this is just the first day of Grandpa's knitting. This problem gives you the chance to apply measures in a practical situation. So John's grandfather enjoys knitting. He can knit a scarf 30 inches long in 10 hours. He always knits for 2 hours each day. Okay, so it says here, first question asks, how many inches can he knit in 1 hour? Okay, and so we have to figure out how many inches. If we know he knits 30 inches in 10 hours, we want to figure out how many inches he knits in 1 hour, and then you want to show your calculations how you actually figure that out. Number 2, it says, how many days will it take Grandpa to knit a scarf 30 inches long? Okay, well, it says that he can do a scarf 30 inches long in 10 hours, but he knits 2 hours each day. So you have to use math to figure out how many days that would take for him to make one scarf. Okay, and those are the two questions on that side. A little easier this time because the other side's a little tougher. Anyways, if you have any further questions, feel free to text either Mr. Schlepper or myself, or give us a call. Okay, good night, good luck, and go Bears! Rawr!